times she refused my many attempts. I'm a Christian rather, and my wife knows that I cannot cheat on her. I don't know if she is capitalizing on this. Most times I get hot, and when I try to open up a conversation on this, she gives an excuse of this and that. How can I have an attractive wife and be thinking of committing adultery? Now this hurts me so much.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back. Welcome back to another vlog. So this is going to be a weekend vlog. Today is Friday and I'm off. Like, I'm not working today, so I thought I might vlog today. And besides, tomorrow I have like a little bit of plans, I think so. So it will be like the perfect time to be vlogging. Right now I'm in the bedroom. I just woke up like 2 minutes ago. You saw me opening the blinds. And yeah, so I think I'm just going to go shower. It's so gloomy, you guys. Like, it has been raining throughout the whole night, and now it has stopped raining, but it's just gloomy. So, and you guys, can you see how like I slept with a bathrobe, socks, and the scarf is right there on my bed. It was so cold, and I'm doing my best to like stay away from the cold, because as we all know, the cold really does me bad. Like, it affects me so bad. I get pains everywhere. So I'm trying as hard as I can to keep so warm. Yeah, so I'm just going to go take a shower and talk to you guys about what's been going on. Last Tuesday was my birthday, so I didn't vlog because like I was overwhelmed, so I didn't vlog. I think it was the best birthday so far that I've had in, I was going to say from 25 to, but I've just realized I'm 26 though. No, but seriously, okay, last year's birthday was also amazing, but I feel like this year it was a bit more amazing. So after showering, that's when like I'll talk to you guys proper. Yeah, so before we continue, if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you doing? Because I know you'll come back. I've seen the percentage of people who watch my videos and they're not subscribed. It's like a lot, so I know you're going to keep coming back. So just subscribe and you become a part of the Heritage family. Oh, by the way, guys, that was very dramatic. It's not like it's something big, but I think I should first shower, then I talk to you guys about it. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm done with showering, and you remember what I told you before? Yeah, so I got a question because I sort of like talk to you guys more on Instagram. But if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm going to leave it right here. Make sure you do, because I'm active more that side, and like it's more of a day-to-day, you know, like current situation. What you guys see here on YouTube is either 2 weeks back or 1 week back. So the question is, what should I call you guys? Should I call you the Heritage family, or someone said the Heritage gang? And I'm just like, but I like calling you guys my loves and family. But yeah, so I'll put up a poll on my community tab, and make sure you do vote so that we know exactly what I should be calling you guys. Right now I'm going to the market. It's still a little bit gloomy, but the sun is a bit coming out like a tiny bit, so I want to rush to the market and buy bienda. What is bienda in English? I think they're called offers. Yes. They're called offers. I'm going to rush and do that, but I don't want to climb that hill. I hate climbing that hill. And you know what's even annoying is like this whole area doesn't have like, it has like a tiny trading center down there, but it's not even a trading center. It's so empty. So when you want to buy anything, you have to like climb the hill, and I hate it so much. Like that hill, God. I want to try and find someone if I can send like a border guy to go buy me the offers. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So I failed to get someone. That means I have to climb this hill. I'm so annoyed. So annoyed. Yo, I'm almost there. But I trained and the road is so slippery. I didn't know, and I wore slippers, like flip-flops. I'm sliding. I've just realized I've forgotten my mask.
They say money can't buy happiness, not lie. There is nothing in the world that money cannot buy. The big house.
So I've secured the bag. I bought the vienna, offers, and I bought matoke because that's what I'm going to cook it with. I'm going to make like katogo. So yeah, I think I have to use the charcoal stove. Yes, and I don't want to touch charcoal. Anyway, let me make fire on the charcoal stove. Then I'm even hungry. I want to take tea. Yeah, then I clean up the offals because you thoroughly have to clean it. So that's what I'm going to do now.
They say money can't buy happiness, not lie. There is nothing in the world that money cannot buy. The big house, the I want to live like a billionaire.
Why is my face shining? Excuse me. I've taken breakfast and I want to sleep. Like I've started dozing. Disadvantages of taking heavy breakfast. Oh God. But I have food on fire, so I can't doze off. I'm watching a Nigerian movie. By the way, for some weird reason, these days, the way I like Nigerian movies again. Oh. It's even disturbing. Like, I can't believe it's me. I'll sit here the entire day, watch Nigerian movies. Anyway. Can you guys see I'm even sweating just from taking breakfast? I need to open these windows. I didn't open them. Let me open the windows. You guys, as I was opening the window, you know those lizards? I call them Chris Brown. Because they move from wall to wall. Get it? Chris Brown's song of Wall to Wall. So I call them Chris Brown. It's like one of them, like a huge one, was just there on the curtain. Anyway, it has gone outside. Oh God, I hate those things so much. Can you guys see how I'm sweating? Like, breakfast was heavy, oh. It was extremely heavy. My lunch is ready. So guys, my lunch is ready. Ooh, the lighting is amazing. Anyway, it's coming to 3, but I'm feeling so sleepy and electricity has gone. Tell me why I didn't charge my laptop, yet I have to upload a video today at 5. Now I'm like panicking. It's already 3 and it wants to rain and I'm feeling sleepy. If those aren't signs from God that I should take a nap and sleep, then I don't know what it is. But otherwise, the problem is I sleep a lot. So if I'm to sleep right now at 3, I might wake up like at 9 p.m. So I don't know what I'm going to be. I'm going to. Whoa! I look like a grown woman. I look. But anyway, well, you guys. I like the way I curled the hair, but it sort of looks like so big, bulky. Anyway, good afternoon. It's midday, and I'm heading out for a belated birthday lunch with my best friend. I haven't seen her since May, since 1st of May, so I'm like so excited to see her. So yeah, let's head on there. So don't mind the mannequin in the background as curling my hair. This is my outfit. Don't mind the mess. It's just a dress. It's sort of like a free dress, and I paired it with a brown belt. Then I'm just going to wear some sandals and a bag. Originally, I wanted to carry this. Orange bag, but it's not going to match with my shoes. So I have this and this. So this might match with the shoes. I look like a grown woman, you know, which is what I'm going for.
Love and money, now brother and sister. Anytime you see them, they must go together. Love go follow above. If money waka, love must go follow.
So we are now at Java House for dessert. You want to say hi? She doesn't want to talk, so.
Go follow above. If money waka, love must go follow and go. I need you, no money. I love you, no money. Oh. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you, no money. Oh. I love you, no money. No money. I need you, no money. Hey girl. Without the cash, there is no romance. I love you, no money.
Hello. Can I get like a proper paper bag? Okay, thank you so much. So we are done for the day. We are heading home. You refuse to be in the vlog. Finally, she allows to be in the vlog when the vlog is ending. But yeah, we're done for the day. I have this. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get home.